Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host Gamer, and today we look at the Adrenalin software, the AMD graphics card software. Oh, how are you gonna use it? It looks so complicated with all those switches. Well, sit right back, have a cup of coffee, and we'll get into it. Get your AMD software from AMD.com. Once you get it going, go to Performance. Okay. What you'll see is you'll have it'll come in with a default setting, so that's the out-of-the-box setting, and that is the global settings here. Okay, so that's all stock, and if you want to tweak your fans, which I suggest, works for me. I get better temperatures. Then I go to the fan tuning, click that to enable it. I always want my fans going, so I'm going to click disabled. I don't want it to stop, the fans to stop, so I'm disabling that. And then I'm going to advanced control so that I can tweak my fans. Okay, and here is the power tuning. I'll go ahead and activate that. Just leave it there for now, but this is the stock settings. So when it's operating, it'll be at around 245 watts, which is a bit more than your standard card, your standard 9070, such as the Pulse is 220. This is 245. Okay. With the temperature here to be 65 and the fan at 70%. Okay. Just leave it like that for now, and we apply the changes. So the fans are tweaked now so that they'll be a bit cooler than stock. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to crank this up to 110%. Okay, power. And then we're going to go in here and to the GPU tuning. Now with this, with the frequency, I have found, and others have found, that no matter what you do with this, it doesn't change the FPS. So I don't think it works for whatever reason. Need to do more research as to what's going on there. But the voltage offset, so undervolting, we're going to actually take it down to 100 millivolts and see the effect of that. Okay, so before we do that, okay, so if you're running, wanting to run ray tracing on an Unreal Engine created game, AMD is not currently fully compatible, so you will have crashes running ray tracing, such as on Silent Hill 2 as an example. Since I've stopped using ray tracing, no crashes. Okay, absolutely none. Using ray tracing, yeah, every, I don't know, 10-15 minutes there's a crash. So that's a real pain. But that's something AMD and Epic Games Unreal Engine team need to fix, and it's a bit sad that it's gone this far. I just wanted to show you that you can do some tweaking per game. So for instance, for whatever reason you didn't want to run frame generation on Cyberpunk, this Fidelity FX Super Resolution 4, okay, this is the one that's running at the moment, so you would disable that, and you would also disable this one. This is another frame gen
So if this is not working, then it will default back to this if it can. And so you would disable that one for Cyberpunk. Okay. So that's under gaming. So if we go back here, we got games, graphics advisors. Okay. So if you want to do Cyberpunk, where is my Cyberpunk? Did I miss it? There it is. Okay. Click Cyberpunk, and then you can do your tweaking from here.
Hey, if I helped you, thumbs up, subscribe, that would be awesome. And thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. And don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video. This is the AMD Radeon Non-XT 9070. This is the 9070 from Sapphire, the Pure model. And this graphics card runs quick, cool, and smooth. We're talking 42 degrees C on the GPU, and that's during gaming, peak gaming. Hotspot temperatures around
63, 62 degrees. Memory temperatures drop back to around 72 or so.